Welcome back to Blue Ridge Homemaking, where you are back in the Blevins kitchen. Today, we are going to be making
quiche.
quiche.
I had a blank there. I was talking to Jalen too at the same time. Okay, we're going to attempt this. 6 eggs. And we got bacon here. I got cheese. I cut 5 slices of cheese right here. And I put garlic. 1 clove of garlic in there.
She did 2 cloves of garlic.
I done 1. Okay, and then we're going to add the green bell pepper, onion, and tomato. And of course, bacon, of course. So first off, we need to cut this stuff up first. So John's going to start with the green pepper. And I'll do the onion. Jalen tends to get a little excited with the onion. And then there's your little bowl for your green bell pepper. And Jalen Kay will take samples in between. She's been starving this morning. I feed this youngin' and she wants more and more. I think about like a half a cup to a cup of onion. It really matters to whatever you want. So just put over how much you would like. So I hope this is good. This is our first time attempting this. So
Quiche.
I hope it's good. It's a breakfast meal.
Quiche.
I'm going to make some, what do you call that, toast? French toast. I'll make some of it too. Here in a little bit. To break these eggs right here. I got 6, but I might need more. It depends on how much this takes in there. So hopefully, then we'll whisk this together, and then we'll mix all the ingredients together, and then I'll place it in the pie pan. And whenever you put it in the oven, you preheat the oven at 350, and it stays in there 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so here we've got the egg mixture. I put salt and pepper also. And then we add these one by one. So here goes the bacon. So that's all we used. Tomato, green bell pepper, cheese, and garlic.
What's it called again, girls?
Quiche. Oh, quiche. Yeah.
What's it called, Jalen?
Quiche.
This is our own recipe, so I might need to add 1 or 2 more onions. What do you think?
I think it's good enough.
Okay. So now all I've got to do now is I got to butter my dish, put this in the dish there, and then I top it with the cheese. So now I go ahead and place my ingredients here in this bowl. Look how gorgeous that is, you guys. Isn't that good looking? Or, you know, how would you say it?
Delish.
Delish. Oh, and this would be good, like, dip it in ketchup. Man, who wants to dip things? Daddy probably just have it just the way it is.
Yes.
And then you place your cheese right here that you've got left over. I got 5 slices. It should be enough. And you place it on top. It looks like it's going to be good. Okay, so now I place this in the oven at the temperature of 350, and you put it in there for 35 to 40 minutes. So, and then we'll show you the finished product here in 35 minutes. Okay, everybody, here is the finished product. Also, like I said, I made French toast as well. So today, that is our supper. So that's a nice little breakfast meal. It really smelled really good. But we hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and please join us on the next one. See ya.